Next red light is Memorial Drive. Straight ahead is Decatur. We won't go into Decatur today. To the left is Atlanta. It'll take you out past Oakland Cemetery, out past Nick's for Greek to go. We're going to turn right and go out by Belvedere. I'm sure a lot of you folks, it's been a long time since y'all been through this area. So hopefully you will enjoy it. New construction. Don't know what it's going to be. MARTA bus broke down. Yeah, and I'll have to brake that back here at that red light. I didn't cut it off and turn it back on, so I'll start this again at June 27th, 2020. 9:07 a.m. Saturday morning, 72 degrees, South DeKalb on Memorial Drive, headed east. Atlanta is behind us. Stone Mountain Memorial Drive is to the east. And straight ahead, this is Line Street. People will recognize Line Street. Woodfern to the left. Coming up here on the right, this parking lot, this car lot used to be the old Burger Chef for you Avondale folk. Right there was the old Burger Chef. Now it is tires starting at $20, and they finance. Carter Road to the left and right. Carter Road will take you through to Columbia Drive there on the left, back down to not Line Street, but a little cut-through street on the right. This right here used to be a Crystal. It was a very good Crystal too, right here on the right. Served, he had a counter, sat down and served right there. Served good food. Coming up on the right is Belvedere. We'll swing through the Belvedere parking lot. Kroger City Center is the predominant draw here now, I would think. There used to be a Rich's department store out here in the parking lot. This should bring back a lot of old memories. There was a Grant City here too. I don't know if it's Grant City or just TJ Grants, maybe whatever there. Then Columbia Mall is over to the left. We'll cut through and let you get a sight of the cemetery that's still there in the parking lot. It's overgrown. You have to look hard to see it now. If you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't know it. Across, right straight across there is the old A&P. I worked there 4 years, 1970 to 1970, to April 24th, 1970, when the Conyers store opened. I went to the Conyers A&P. Made produce manager here in 1972. And ate many a meal in that building right over there. That was a N Dine. I had good food too. There was a movie theater right down here on the left, and a little bar. That was the old A&P. You can tell all these old A&P stores, they were built the same. I can't remember the name of that little bar down there, but just for color. I don't know where the movie theater was either. One of those buildings right there, one of those spaces right there. And I was told, I don't have any personal experience about this, but I was told that the girls, the waitresses in that little bar at lunch through the week would provide removal of their attire for the patrons. Oh man. Right here to the left was the produce dock. Ooh. Ooh. There was an Arlen's right there where that truck rental, whatever that is right there now. Old Hickory House. The building is gone. It was right there on the left where that Del Taco sign is, I think. We'll cut it off, then loop around and let you see that little cemetery that's still there. Yeah, that building is gone. It says China Cafeteria. That's where the Hickory House was, right there on the left. Just a concrete slab now. Now this, the Columbia Mall, is now a Walmart. There was a Sears, Davison's, which later became Macy's. The Sears was on this end. Macy's was on the, or Davison's was on the far end. And I guess just for the heck of it, I'll go by Avondale High School. Oh man, even saying that makes you leave a bad taste in your mouth. Oh, I've been past, let's see, I'm above the cemetery. There's the cemetery right there. It's all hidden. I know everyone will remember this cemetery. I don't know if the gate's locked now or not. I'm not going to go there and see if it is, but we will give you a good view of it, as good as you can get. Be able to get a better view down low. But just for you nasty Avondale folks, I'm going to go by the old Avondale High School. Or I guess it was the new Avondale High School after the old Avondale High School burnt. Okay, I'll be able to let y'all see the other side of the old cemetery. I was able to come down through here without having to go out on Memorial Drive. So you can't hardly see it. If you didn't know it was here, you wouldn't even know it. I can still see the lock on it. So the lock is still locked. I don't know who is buried there, the family and all. Now we'll go by the oh, I can't really say it. Avondale. high school. Ooh, oh, that hurt. Man, that's like driving a knife through your heart. Even the mention of that. Good grief. What a pain. Well, friends, I felt something moving on the back of my neck and just pulled a tick off. It was a good 1/8 of an inch wide. I must have come from this Avondale area here. Man, you just drive by this place and you get ticks. I had a shower this morning. I wonder what happened to Avondale's A that used to be up here on the gym. Seems like I recall something about it. The Cab School of the Arts. Yeah, right. Ooh, look at that nasty place. Ooh. I hope the Jeep doesn't cut off right here. Right there used to have a big old A up there. They got something up there now. Ain't no telling what's up there. Oh man, we've just entered the city limits of this nasty town. Oh man. Of all places to have to go. Well, if we're gonna be here anyway, I guess we'll go down there and let y'all see go by the pond. Avondale Lake. Let you guys see it. Man, I don't want to speed over here, but I need to hurry and get out of this place. That girl has made some rounds. I saw her running over at Glenwood Road and Columbia Drive. Good grief, that was a while ago, but she has made good time and didn't look like she even broke a sweat. This has always been a pretty lake. And as much fun as I make of Avondale, it's pretty city. Those cherry trees over there, those weeping cherries, they are beautiful in the spring. Okay, well, I'm going to turn this off and then we'll get back to Memorial Drive.